The partial lockdown may have been lifted by His Excellency the President of Ghana, but I advise you to still keep your devices on lockdown and in safety because hackers and scammers are not backing down. Welcome to Tech Today. My name is Kwame. Now, if you're an Android user, you need to take security for your phone even more serious because research has shown that the number of app-based threats on Android is increasing. Now, according to a detailed report by Dr. Web antivirus analysts, the number of new threats on Android and the official Play Store has risen by about 21% in the last month compared to February 2020. Now, more specifically, the number of malware increased by 21.6%, unwanted apps by 13.4%, adware by 27.6%, and riskware by 32.7%. Now, some of these threats have been downloaded by hundreds of thousands of people, and I hope you are not one of them. But whatever the case may be, kindly avoid installing apps from untrustworthy sources unless you really know the source of the app. Now, always keep a mobile antivirus and security solution up to date and running on your device. But even if you don't want to burden your smartphone with an antivirus, you can still identify malicious activity by monitoring and reviewing your data and battery consumption on the application level. Now, it will quickly reveal what is running on the background so that you can keep your device safe. Now, moving on to some news. Google says that the malware scanners within the Gmail free email service blocked around 18 million phishing and malware emails using COVID-19 lures within last week alone. Now, according to Gmail Security PM, every day Gmail blocks more than 100 million phishing emails. Now, during last week, they saw 18 million daily malware and phishing emails related to COVID-19. Now, this is in addition to more than the 240 million COVID-related daily spam messages. So please be careful in this COVID-19 season and avoid opening any COVID-related emails in your inbox, especially if it is not from a trusted or an official source. Please still stay home and stay safe, both on and offline, and please just make sure you adhere to all the recommended protocols so that I can be able to see you again next week. Peace out.